What is up, guys? We are upgrading the controller today, going from a 72-530 to a 72-1800. We'll get into that after, but start digging in. $72 530, 350 max battery amps with 530 phase amps, going to a 72 1800. So we are looking at 800 battery amps and 1800 phase amps. So I got everything wired up here, other than cruise control and forward and reverse. I got everything else hooked up here. All 6 phase wires hooked up. Controller is in a temporary spot right now. Alright, guys, I'm gonna shoot.